Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall make a very simple video or tutorial about Microsoft project the start screen. So let's start friend. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you, and also you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. Basically friend, right now you are watching the start screen of Microsoft project. This is a tool which we use for project management. Here you can see different options are available like file, task, resource, project, view and format. We shall discuss these options later. Right now this is the main screen, or this is the main start screen of Microsoft project. Here you can see multiple options are available like blank project, recent templates, my templates, then new from existing, which includes new from Excel workbook, from SharePoint, then plans, planner, scheduler and etc. Basically friend, the most important this one is the blank project. That means once you are starting a project, you will use this option of blank project. Other thing like recent templates are also available. Also, like you want to create a project from the Excel workbook, so you can also do that. You want to get the task from SharePoint, you can also do that. So, and as other templates are also available which you can use it, like plans and planners. So basically template is basically the concept here is that it is a ready-made template, like the format is fixed, like all the basic format is fixed and you just have to modify it or customize it as your need. Also you can search here, for example office.com template, like for example you want to search the software project plan. For example you want to search for construction project plan, so you can also search it on the office.com and you can get the relevant templates here from as well. Also there are some other options are available. For example, this is the minimize button, this is the maximize, and this is the close button. Okay, and also you can just click here and create, so you can create the project as well. So here you can, but just you have to do, like here we have already clicked on the new option and you just click on that, double click, and you can see that the Microsoft project has been opened here as well. So friend, basically this is the screen of Microsoft project to create a project plan. Okay, like there are so many options are available and this is the basic template. Here what you can do after creating the project, what you can do, you have to click on the save button like that, and you have to save, like you have to put the name here, and it is already, the extension is .mpp, and you just have to click on save so that you can save your Microsoft project file as per your requirement, as per your need where you want to save it. So friend, in the next video we shall discuss in detail that how we can make a project plan in MS project, Microsoft project, and what are the techniques, what are the steps we used to create a project plan in a Microsoft project. Right now we have discussed a very basic level overview of Microsoft project. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. If you have still any question, please do ask from me. I would love to answer your queries, and thanks a lot for watching the video. Thank you friends.